Introduce highlight features and summary overview of ACOOLOO portable cordless car vacuum. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary. ACOOLOO Handheld Car Vacuum Adopt Advanced 120 watts 9 volt super strong pure copper motor with 5000 PA suction, which is specially designed for household and car cleaning. It can help you save lots of time on heavy-duty household and car deep cleaning subjects. No more worries from pet hair, dust, breadcrumbs and wet. Washable HEPA filter with a backflow prevention case, designed to maintain unclogged powerful suction. And it traps 99.97% fine particles and contaminants from the air, even cleaning the liquid. What's more, the dust tank with high capacity holds more dirt and is easy to use and clean. Featuring with 2000 mAh times 2 high capacity lithium battery up to extra long lasting time up to 30 minutes and 2 to 3 hours for full fast charging time. Comes with extra USB charging cable, allows convenient daily usage whenever and wherever you want. Car vacuum cleaner is the latest generation of the market. No matter what mess springs up in your car and home, you can clean it up quickly only with this vacuum, no more other accessories required. From mud, dirt, sand, or otherwise, we've got all covered. By USB rechargeable lithium-ion battery, strong suction, and lightweight support for flexible outdoor use. Don't waste time with vacuums that don't deliver. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all. Press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.